What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
All right, check it out. Check it out. I know you've heard this before, right? But Pepe is going freaking insane. Pepe, $1.5 billion market cap, struck in less than 20 days. That is an incredible feat, and it is on path at this rate to be the best performing meme coin of all time. We're going to dig into the charts because that's what we do at the crypto shop, and Justin's going to take us through this article, and I'm going to take you through the chart. So Justin, take us away.
Pepe has passed a $1.5 billion market cap, and also it's up 900%. So the hottest meme coin on the market has continued to defy all expectations, and now it's being listed on Binance as it has already passed that $1.5 billion market cap that we talked about. Currently, the token is the third largest meme coin by market cap, according to CoinGecko, and I'm pretty sure it shattered records for how quickly we made it up to this point. Now, the coin has passed both SHIB and Dogecoin in trading volume, which is absolutely absurd. And yeah, so the token has come a long way since it's launched on April 14th of 2023, and is currently traded at what is that? 50417, I think, by my math. And it's fluctuating a little bit right now, but still absolutely insane. Moreover, that price indicates a 152% rise over the last 24 hours. The token has been circulating supply of 420 trillion Pepe and a global 24-hour trading volume of 818 million. And I'm pretty sure we hit a billion today, Hobbs. I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah.
Which is
multiple
also
times over.
insane. So Pepe was the top 6 token in trading volume, only behind Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and BNB or BUSD. Sorry, that's also insane. That's also wild, like wild. So Pepe has made waves today as it was listed on Binance, which, as we all know, is the top cryptocurrency exchange. So Hobbs, I know you're going to tell us where you think this is heading,
right,
but I mean, this is historic. This is historic for crypto. So Hobbs, is this the next 1,000x? Where do you see this going? What's your vibes, man?
Here's the thing, guys. If we're talking about Pepe, I think, in my opinion, which I think I haven't heard before, I think that this particular token is going to be one that we haven't seen in the markets before. I've told the story where, the tokens that did the best, the times that they were built was when the economy was at, a very scary time. Well, we've had banks, fail one after the other, and now we're in that fear mode again, which actually brings, believe it or not, having high interest rates, can't get a loan, can't pay your rent. It starts to make people believe in something. With meme coins, the only thing you need is belief and multiple people believing. The amount of participants increases the volume, which in turn make this an actual tradable asset and one that you can do technical analysis on. Now, if we look over here in coin market cap, this thing has actually gone over the last 24 hours to reach 2.3 billion in volume, active participants. The volume is split up between centralized exchanges at 1.6 billion, decentralized exchanges at 654 million active participants. So now if we look over at the TA and you tell me, where do you think this thing is going? 100,000 holders in less than 20 days. And now we're able to see what we like to refer to in the trading stock analysis world as demand zones, key levels and demand zones, areas where buyers we found more buyers, we've advertised price lower, we found more buyers, and the price shot up. We've been tracking this thing in the crypto shop for a couple of weeks now, and we found levels that we thought were great levels to buy at. A couple of my Discord members bought down here, way back here at 6027, right? We call this area, we got a perfect bounce and pushed up. We said the next area would be about 6042. We nailed it. We pushed up. I actually ended up buying in at 6061, or in this demand zone area. And then a couple of my members wanted to know, hey, where is it too late? I said, listen, wait till it pulls back to the 6078 range. And now We got all the way up here, and I'm telling you guys, now we've created a key level where we're in price discovery mode, and at a key level pullback, 5028. You heard it here first. If you can get it to pull back in this range, it's a great entry. Where do I think we go next? Well, unfortunately, we really can't say, but we do know we've topped out at 5048 on the DEX tools chart, which tells me that we're going to go back up and test this area. If we test this area and we break through, we're going to go into price discovery mode again. Who knows? We could go on one of these nice little rallies that basically took us. We went from a $600 million market cap overnight to a $1.4 billion market cap with some incredible catalysts, however. Now, guys, I don't know where we go from here. All I do know is if you truly believe that this token can make it, you have plenty of time to get in, because at a $1.4 billion market cap, now think about where Shiba Inu went to at its height. We're talking 58 to 60 billion. And this was before everybody knew Shiba things like this could happen. What's going to happen when people feel like they've already missed out on all of those situations, and now they got the opportunity to get in at a low level? They're going to load the bag. You can already see it in the favorites category, and I apologize for being long-winded, but you can already see it in the favorites category. These are all meme tokens that are super, super green. You see that? And then you go down to some of the higher name tokens, the Bones, the Gala, the Leashes, the Tsukas of the world. They're all getting liquidated because people are pulling their money out of the tokens that they set through in bear markets. And not to say they won't be back to those other tokens, but they're putting them in here on the belief that this thing can go, not only go to a $1 billion, but in my opinion, go to a $70+ billion market cap. I don't know if I'm telling the truth or not. I'm just giving you my thought process behind it. But what I will say is make sure you guys comment down below and tell us what you think in regards to Pepe. Don't forget to come back to the ClearCryptos channel and hit that like button to check out myself and Jay Seals on the channel. That's all we got for today, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.